Yes guys, I've just reading your comments on the Do You Feel It tune, the Optimed Do You Feel It tune, and to be honest, I'm really shocked with some of the comments, man. Like, I didn't really expect you guys to be so excited about these tunes, man, because some of my early productions were literally, no joke, when I've loaded up a couple of them in Optimed, I've had to actually tighten them up a bit because some of the breaks were pretty loose, and some of the bass lines were actually off note, and I had to kind of put them in bar and stuff like that, and turn on the highlight for the Optimed, the block highlight, and I was just thinking, wow man, this is when I first started, so it's kind of making me laugh, the fact that I had to fix up a couple of B lines and that, but the vibe was quite good, man, and I do appreciate, and just want to say a personal thank you to everybody. Give you guys a shout out for dropping the comments on the video. Shout out to Serial Killer, shout out to Extra Spice Mikey, big up Fine Surf, shout out to Giza, shout out to John Tamaro, big up John Rayleigh, Barnabas, Richard T, Wolf Moon, Chris E Chang. Some new names on the channel as well. It's good to see that there's new people as well as the regulars. We always love the regulars, man. They're the supporters, man. Triangle, Farben, shout to, this says Tune is asking for an amen, man, big up. John Tetley, Pixel Vinet, Distant Planet TV, how's it going guys? Optical Haze, Johnny Pickering, Ontology, Liquid Sounds, Dward, and Ali Alex, and also as well, don't forget to get me up to the 50 likes. We passed the 50 likes on that, so you know I've got to upload another one. That's how it goes. Once I pass that 50 mark, I've got to upload another video. So big up people, and yeah, I really appreciate that. Yeah?